Welcome to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. Today we take a look at the Honda Brio, once Honda India's most affordable car that's now been discontinued. Why did that happen? Where does this leave existing Brio owners? And is it still a car worth buying? Time to find out just in 2 minutes. The Brio was first launched in India back in 2011 and received its first and only update 5 years later. Even then, it was only a refresh, not a brand new generation. Fresher rivals like the Swift and Grand i10 and the availability of more modern yet more affordable alternatives like the Tata Tiago meant that even after an update, the Brio didn't find many takers. With low demand for the car, it didn't make sense to update the Brio to meet upcoming crash test norms, so Honda decided it's best to lay the Brio to rest. Additionally, with launches like the new CR-V, the new Civic and the new Amaze, Honda is going back to their original game of offering premium cars for India and staying away from budget-focused segments. As of now, there are no plans to launch a replacement for the Brio. No plans to bring the second generation Brio to India either. So now, the most affordable Honda car is the new Amaze, while the main hatchback offering is now the Jazz. Production of the Honda Brio has stopped, but a few units may still be available with dealers. If you wanted the Honda Brio for its fun-to-drive nature or wanted an extremely easy-to-drive small car for city commutes, most likely as an addition to the main car of your garage, you can push for heavy discounts and incentives, since dealers will be looking to clear stock. This also means that used Honda Brios will get cheaper to buy. While it wasn't a hot-selling car, the Honda Brio is extremely reliable and pocket-friendly to own. If you're looking to buy one or already own one, you don't have to worry about spare parts either. Will you miss the Honda Brio? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with other buyers to help them stay aware, and thank you so much for watching.